Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 8, Unit 4, Prose, My Reminiscence, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Book Back Exercise Part 3. Dear children, in the previous episodes we have discussed so many things. Now we are going to do grammar part. Okay? Page 103. Grammar, conjunctions, it means connectors, connecting. Okay? So what is a conjunction, or it means what is a connector? Connector is a word or a phrase that joins two sentences or group of words together. They are also known as conjunctions. So in the conjunctions we have subdivisions, or it has types: coordinative conjunctions and subordinative conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. So first let us study coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions links two or more words, clauses, phrases or sentences of equal importance. Coordinating conjunction enna பண்ணுது? They will link, it means they will connect two or more words. More words இருக்கலாம், clauses, phrases, sentences of equal importance. சமமான, சேமான இதை கனெக்ட் கொடுக்கிறது coordinating conjunctions. For example, some common coordinating conjunctions are and, but, or, therefore, as well as, to, else, otherwise, still, it, while, however, so, consequently, for, etc. அதாவது சேமாக இருக்கணும். And I ate banana and orange. அதுவும் இதுவும் சமமாக இருக்கிறது. For example, she ran fast and won the race. Alright, so we'll see some more exercise, then you will understand better. Next one is subordinating conjunctions are the words that links a dependent clause to an independent clause. It means one will be dependent, another one will be independent. Another one full sentence, another one half sentence, like that. You imagine like that, it will be easy for you to understand. Some common subordinating conjunctions are after, as, until, unless, when, whenever, as soon as if, as though, because, before, even if, even though, if, since, so that, though, till, where, wherever, whether, while, why, etc. So all these words, if it comes, it means they are connecting. They are connecting two things. It means they are not of same length. It means same இது கிடையாது. It means maybe one independent clause and one dependent clause, like that. For example, the bus had left before he came. Okay. Next one, children. A correlative conjunction is a type of conjunction that functions in a pair. Pair இருக்கிறது. Double வரும்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். Some common correlative conjunctions are either or, both and, neither nor, not only but also, such as, such that, so as so, no sooner than, rather than, whether or. Okay, அதாவது double வரதுக்கு பேரு correlative conjunctions. For example, I am not only a singer but also a musician. Fine, children? Okay, now next one, coordinating conjunction. Let us study. These conjunctions join words, phrases or clauses of equal rank. For example, she ran fast and won the game. God made the country and man made the town. அப்போ இந்த and எல்லாமே சேமாக வருது. Get ready soon or you will miss the bus. I requested him but he did not do the work. Behave well, else you will suffer. அப்போ இங்கே வந்து and, or, but, else இதெல்லாமே coordinating conjunctions. Now moving on to subordinate conjunctions. These conjunctions join two clauses, one of which is subordinate to the other. அதாவது டிபெண்ட்டாக இருக்கிறது. சரியா? ஓகே, ஆஃப் டைமில் பார்க்கணுனாக்கா, make hay while the sun shines. Ravi reached the exam hall before the school bell had rung. Okay, the before, while இதெல்லாமே டைம் குறிக்குது. Of place, if you see, where, wherever, whence, whither. First one, You will find your books where you had placed them. You can see the beauty wherever you go in Ooty. Okay, wherever. Next one, of conversation. Though, although, even though. The alarm woke me up, even though it wasn't very loud. Second one, the child was not covered, although it was very cold. Okay, next one, of comparison. As than. For example, he is not as clever as you. That as varda. Rekha is better than her father. Okay, children, now moving on to correlative conjunctions. These pairs of conjunctions require equal structures after each one. Okay. First one, Shruti wants either the chocolates or the cake. Either or. Second one, she said that she would like to have both the chocolates and the cake. Inge vandar both and. Next one, you can have neither the cake nor the ice cream. So neither nor. Sixth one, I have not decided whether I will have the cake or the ice cream. Fifth one, she ate not only the chocolates but also the ice cream. So not only but also. Next one, Abhiram is both cute and lovely. So both and. Next one, children, exercise, underline the conjunctions in the following sentences. And sentences, Revati and Rohini are friends. So, here conjunction and. Okay, this connecting. Second one, if you say so, I will believe it. So, if first word is conjunction. Third one, Shekhar is intelligent but careless. So, but is the conjunction. Fourth one, the bus was overcrowded. So, Arun avoided traveling in it. So, here, so Arun. So is the conjunction. Fifth one, though Vinay is ill, he doesn't skip the class. Here, though is the conjunction. Fine, children. Okay, moving on to B section. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with suitable conjunctions from the box. And the box words are if, after, unless, until, and, till, although, so, because, but. Okay. All right. I returned home because the bus had started. Okay. Because. Next one. I respect him although he is very strict. Although. Third one. Sudarshan will succeed if he works hard. So, if is the conjunction. Fourth one. Arvind and Arun are classmates from their childhood. So, and is the conjunction. Fifth one. You can't have your fruits until you take your food. Until is the conjunction. Now, C section, children. Choose the correct conjunctions from the options given in the brackets. First one. Everyone likes him. Dash. He is very helpful. So, what is the answer? Everyone likes him because he is very helpful. Second one. Dash. It is cloudy. We decided to take an umbrella. Dash. It was cloudy means as it was cloudy, we decided to take an umbrella. Third one. Radhi found her watch. Dash. She had left it. Radhi found her watch where she had left it. Fourth one, I don't know. Dash, I can afford to buy a new dress or not. I don't know whether I can afford to buy a new dress or not. Fifth one, children. Dash, he was ill. He went to the doctor. As he was ill, he went to the doctor. Fine, children. Okay, moving on to sentence pattern. What is sentence pattern? A group of words which gives complete sense is called a sentence. So all of you know what is sentence? Sentence naka a group of words which gives complete sense. That's sentence. Okay. And the basic sentence patterns are given below. So now let us see some sentence patterns. For example, SV, that is subject to verb. For example, child laughs. Child is the subject, laughs is the verb. SVO, O means subject. I play cricket. I is subject. V means place. Hockey means object. Third one, SVC. He is smart. Subject he. Verb is smart. Complement. Fourth one, SVOC. I painted the car blue. Subject I, verb painted, the car, object blue, complement. Fifth one, SVIODO. My father presented me a watch. My father is subject, presented as verb, me is indirect object, watch direct object. Next one, SVDOIO. She gave money to the poor. She is subject, gave verb, money, direct object, to the poor, indirect object. Okay, இப்போ in detail we'll study. Subject, what is that? To get. Subject, ask the question who. Subject வேணும்னாக்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? Who, யாரு அப்படி கேட்கணும். Who, யார் குறிக்குதுன்னு. Before the verb. It consists of nouns or pronouns and occurs before a verb. Most of the time, subject எங்கே உட்காந்துருக்கும்? Before the verb. ஒரு செயல் வேர்புக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்குது. For example, Nancy danced well. Who danced well? Who கேட்டு பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா அதுக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்ததுனாக்கா that is subject. So, Nancy answers for the who. The child broke the glass. Here, the child answers the question who. So, that is the answer. The child is a subject. Moving on to verb. A verb shows an action or activity or work done by the subject. It also tells the status. To get verb, ask what does the subject do. So, இப்போ verb கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் என்ன பண்ணணும்? என்ன work பண்ணுறாங்க? என்ன activity? Okay, for example, James wrote a letter. What did James do? என்ன பண்ணாங்க? He wrote answers to the question. So, wrote the verb. He is a doctor. The baby is crying. Okay, இதில் auxiliary verbs. Object, எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? To get object, ask the question what or whom. Whatங்கிற கொஸ்டினுக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்ததுனாக்கா that is called as object. What is for things and whom is for persons. Whatக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்ததுனாக்கா object. It means and whom வந்ததுனாக்கா person. Persons may be nouns or pronouns. Example, he bought a pen. He handles the computer. I saw him. Okay, children. So, என்ன கொஸ்டின் கேட்கணும்? What இல்லை whom. He bought a pen. What did he buy? Pen. அப்போ pen தான் object. He handles the computer. What does he handle? Computer. So, computer தான் object. I saw him. Whom did you see? Him. அப்போ அதுதான் object. Fine, children. Moving on to direct object and indirect object. How to find out direct object? Direct object answers the question what. Whatங்கிறதுக்கு பதில் வந்ததுனாக்கா direct object. And whomக்கு பதில் வந்ததுனாக்கா indirect object. I like animals. What do you like? I like animal. அப்போ அது வந்து direct object. Indirect object answers the question whom. For example, I gave Rosie a pen. Whom did you give the pen? Rosie. அப்போ Rosie தான் indirect object. Okay, children. Moving on to complement. Complementக்கு short form C. The words required to complete the meaning of a sentence are called complement. Example, he is a dentist. Okay, அப்போ he is வரைக்கும் நிறுத்தினா நல்லா இருக்குமா? Something is missing. So, அதை complete பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒரு word வருது that is called as dentist. So dentist is complement. She named the boy John. So, John is complement. It grew dark. So, dark is complement. Object complement answers the question how asked on the object. Okay, children. Next one. Example, he painted the car blue. How did he paint the car? Blue. அப்போ அது ஒரு complement. Here the word blue answers the question how asked on the object car. So, காரோட இந்த question கேட்கும்போது so we get the object complement. Example, we call Kamarajar Karma Veerar. They selected her leader. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி adjunct படிக்கலாம் அப்புறமா. So, to get adjunct, ask the questions where, how, when, why. அப்போது adjunct வந்து அடுத்தது. இது முன்னாடி இருக்கலாம் பின்னாடியும் இருக்கலாம். So, you should ask the questions where, எப்போ, how, எப்படி, when, எப்போது, why, ஏன். For example, my father is a farmer in Tiruvarur. Where, how, when, why. So, if you see some examples, see the column here, there, everywhere, in the sky, at home, by bus, bicycle, through efforts, by mixing, by hard work. இதெல்லாமே how, எப்படி, when, அப்போ டைமுக்கு, now, later, after 2 years, when young, in the morning, இதெல்லாம் டைம் குறிக்குது. why, ஏன், due to cold, the reasons, through floods, under compulsion, carefully, இதெல்லாமே reason. Fine children. Okay, moving on to exercise part. Choose the right pattern. The wall collapsed. So what is the sentence pattern for this? The wall is subject, collapsed is செயல். So verb. Yes, we answer. Next one. During the war, many people lost their homes. So what is the pattern? A, S, V, O. So during the war is adjunct. Many people subject. Lost when the verb, their home object. Third one, I promised the child a trip to the zoo. So what is the sentence pattern? SV, IO, DO. Okay, I promised. I when the subject, promised the verb, the children, and a trip to the zoo. What did he promise? A trip to the zoo. அப்போ வாட்டுக்கு பதில் வரும்போது that is called as direct object. Then if you ask the question whom did he promise? Children. So whomக்கு பதில் வரும்போது that is called as indirect object. Okay children? So answer is SVIODO. Next one, fourth one. In 1998, Frank moved to London. And your options are ASVA, ASVO, SVIODO. And the answer is ASVA. Because in 1998, அது வந்து adjunct. Frank வந்து subject. Moved, verb, to London. மறுபடியும் place தானே காமிக்குது. So ASVA. Fifth one, Pooja hired a bicycle. So what is the answer? SVO. Pooja வந்து subject. Hiredங்கிறது ஒரு செயல். So the verb, a cycle, object. Okay children? Okay, moving on to the exercise part. Next one. Write 2 sentences for each pattern. Okay. SV, subject verb க்கு என்ன பண்ணலாம்? The birds flew. Okay. Birds வந்து subject, flyங்கிறது verb. Next one, the boy jumped. Next one, SVO pattern க்கு 2 sentence we need. He bought a pen. He வந்து subject, boughtங்கிறது verb, penங்கிறது object. She wrote a letter. Okay. Sheங்கிறது subject, write, அதாவது wroteங்கிறது verb, letter, object. Third one, SVC. Chandru became the captain. Chandru is subject, became verb, captain, complement. அதாவது complete கொடுக்குது. Geeta was my teacher. Geeta is subject, was is verb, my teacher, complement. Next one, SVA. The birds flew over the trees. Subject when the birds flew, verb, over the trees, adjunct. The boy jumped into the well. The boy is subject, jumped is verb, into the well, adjunct. Okay, moving on to SVOC. They made him the captain. So they is subject, made verb, him வந்து object, and the captain complement. Parents named him Jim. So parents subject, named verb, him object, Jim is complement. Next one, SVIODO. She gave me the pen. My uncle sent my mother a parcel. So she gave me the pen. She is subject. Give, other gave on this verb. Me, IO. The pen, direct object. So IODO. Next one, my uncle sent my mother a parcel. My uncle, subject. Sent, verb. My mother, IO. A parcel, DO. Next one, ASV. Yesterday, the birds flew. So yesterday, நேத்துக்கு அது வந்து adjunct. The birds, subject. Verb, flew. In summer, the war broke out. In summer வந்து adjunct. The war, subject, broke out, verb. Next one, SVAA. He jumped into the pond to find out the lost ring. He is subject. Jumped, verb. Into the pond, adjunct. To find out the lost ring, adjunct. Next one, the birds flew here and there to find food. So the birds, subject. Flew, verb. Here and there, adjunct. To find food, adjunct. Fine, children. So I hope all of you understood. We'll do mind map and consolidation. And do not miss to watch the lesson explanation videos, book back exercise, guided reading and other things. You will understand better. Thank you.